Culver City at the grilled cheese truck. The special of the day, smoky blue. It's blue cheese, caramelized onions, garlic aioli, with smoked turkey on rosemary potato bread. And I would highly recommend the rosemary potato bread on anything. It's delicious, but you must get it with the Parmesan crust. They put Parmesan cheese and grill it into the crust. So good, so good. I got the veggie melt. It's shaved fennel, some arugula, smoked tomatoes on rosemary potato bread. Okay. Pretty good. We have a s'mores melt. And it consists of Nutella, marshmallow cream, and actual like graham cracker bits in there. See that gooey goodness? Delicious. That's real good.